So, ito yung ating mga i-donate dito sa Cribs Foundation from the San Francisco High School, Quezon City Alumni Association Incorporated. Yan yung ating mga i-donate.
Ito,
Ayan.
kanlungan yan. Kanlungan mo.
Yan yung mga kasama natin, no? Mga men in white. Yan yung mga kasama natin, men in white. Ito and white lady. White lady. Yan. The man in white and the white ladies of San Francisco High School, Quezon City Alumni Association Incorporated.
Hindi, parang chocolate bar ang last time.